expecting about 1,000 feet. We'll see if the Vogel agrees with that. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. The booster's undershoot. The sustainer is arcing that away. It's undershoot. Something may have fallen off there, Jeff. I'm not sure. But still a good flight. Both stages lit. I call that a success. Okay, we're going to move out to the B-Rec. We're on B1. Continuity is good. We have Alex and Rob with the Arcus Plus Aerotech kit. Going to go up on a Dirty Harry motor, a G95. Okay. 2-pound rocket. Arcus Plus on B1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smoke. Up, 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 up.